Hello, my name is Michael Masonette, and this is my purpose of education. My purpose is to live my best life with my friends by working hard doing something that I love. My personal goal is to get a high-paying job so that I can start saving for the future. My career goal is to graduate from UCF and pursue my practice in kinesiology. My educational goal is to graduate from Valencia and transfer to UCF through Direct Connect. A short-term personal goal that I have would be to progress in learning the art of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. This is very important to me because I've recently gone through a major knee surgery and I am testing my limits with the sport. This goal relates to my personal purpose statement because I have found a passion for physical therapy when I was injured from playing football. Throughout my healing, I created a huge interest for kinesiology, which is not what I which is now what I intend majoring in and pursuing. A possible obstacle that could prevent me from achieving this goal is if I skip days because I had a bad day of practice. I can overcome this by applying some of my top five themes like competition and self-assurance by keeping an open mind and using my weaknesses as my strengths. I can harness the lessons I learned to better myself. Intermediate academic goal of mine that would be to pass my Valencia classes with all A's and B's. This goal is important to me because I made a promise to my parents that I would not be wasting my time and that I would be doing my very best in Valencia so I can graduate and go to UCF. This goal relates to my purpose statement because in order for me to get the job of my dreams, I need to study and work hard to get my diploma. Once I get my diploma and start working on my career, I will have all the time in the world and to spoil and have fun with my friends. One possible obstacle that could potentially prevent me from achieving this personal goal would be procrastinating on my assignments. I can overcome this by applying strategy and self-assurance for my top five themes by creating a system to complete my homework, and through that I can see and break down my work, I can accomplish any deadline. My long-term career goal would be to become a chiropractor and own my own office where I can help people. This goal is important to me because throughout my healing journey, I visited chiropractors and practical physical therapists, and I found an interest in it right away. This goal relates to my purpose statement because chiropractors make a lot of money, and in order for me to live my best life with my friends, I need to be able to go wherever and get whatever I want. One possible obstacle that could prevent me from achieving this goal would be not doing good in school. I can overcome this by using two of my top five themes of adaptability and strategic. I know that I can plan ahead and work out my schedule to get through school. Valencia is going to help me accomplish these goals by getting me through my AA degree, and through the Direct Connect program, I will be able to transfer to UCF to pursue my major. The first step towards my goal would be to complete my first year of Valencia with all A's and B's.